Hello, hello guys. Kain po tayo ng apple. Lagyan natin ng apple cider vinegar at saka salt. Ayan. Okay. Ano tayo? Ayan. Parang naglalaway na ako. Ayan guys. Okay, lagyan natin ng suka. And salt. Ayan guys. Takpan natin. Ayan, kain na tayo guys. Daman blessing ulit. Jollibee Kaya ako. Daman blessing guys Jollibee. May french fries. Na, pwede mo kahit apple Steven? May kamagpagita na ka pagpagwap.
The french fries din sa buwa. Alak din sa.
Hello, hello guys. Ayan, marami kaming lunch for today. Pre-lunch. Ayan. From our big boss and our coworker. Ayan, may pizza, salad, Jollibee. Ayan guys. Kaya mayroon pa kaming itlog. Kaya let's eat guys. Ayan. Ayan guys.
Salamat. Busog, walang gastos ka.
Sinabi mo. True. It was true. Naka-minus sa mo pa ko na Pre, naka-minus pa ko na malaking discount sa mo ko na. May pang-scatter sa mo ko na. Ito na guys, ang dami. Meron pa kaming baon na smoke fish. May baon pa yung si Ate Bina na smoke fish, Smoke fish ba to?
Sino uban?
Sino uban na smoke fish?
Dehydrate.
Ayan. Pizza, chicken, salad. May baon silang smoke fish. May Jollibee pa. French fries. Dami. Naka-minus daw sabi ni Dexter. More blessings, Stephen. More scatters. Oh, more scatters. Honeydew. Honeydew. Stop. Smoothie.
Knowledge of his character.
Ayan guys, let's eat.
A lust for
Ayan,
power and
lunch
personal
time.
ambition caused Herr Adolf Hitler to
Tikman natin lahat. Ayan. Ito po ay in-order namin sa Panda Express. Ayan.
regards the time
Ayan. Yummy guys.
schism into our ranks,
Ayan, may orange chicken. Ito, tikman natin ang topo.
further the interests of the Jews.
Topo yan, topo.
It grows
Then,
more and
yung
more clear that his
kanyang
purpose of
eggplant.
the National
Ayan,
Socialist
masarap.
Party was a springboard
Eggplant,
for his own
ayan.
immoral purpose.
Ayan, may pansit.
The leadership, in order to
May
force the
chow
party
mein, may broccoli beef,
psychological mode. This is
broccoli
most clearly
beef
shown by
and orange chicken.
the party leaders a few days ago, in which he
Ayan.
demands, among other things, that he shall have a sole and
Ayan ang
absolute
orange
right to
chicken,
visit the
masarap.
party, and that the committee, including the locksmith Anton
Okay.
Drexler, the founder and leader of the
Ayan
party,
guys, yummy.
And how does he carry on his campaign?
Okay.
Like a Jew. He twists every fact. National Socialists. Make up your
Ayan,
minds
may
about such
chow
things.
mein.
Make no mistake, Hitler is a demagogue. He believes himself capable of filling you up with all kinds of
Ayan,
tales
thank you
that
so
are
much guys for watching. God bless you all.
Although weakened by a silly anti-Semitism, Hitler acted like a Jew. The charges were
Orange
substantial,
chicken.
but publicizing them did not get the rebels as far as might be supposed. Hitler promptly brought a libel suit against the authors of the pamphlet, and Drexler himself, at a public meeting, was forced to repudiate it. In 2 special meetings of the party, Hitler dictated his peace terms. The statutes were changed to abolish the committee and give him dictatorial powers as president. The humiliated Drexler was booted upstairs as honorary president, and he soon passed out of the picture. He left the party in 1923, but served as vice president of the Bavarian Diet from 1924 to 1928. In 1930, he became reconciled with Hitler. but
Ayan
never
guys, may
let
iba
him
pa.
go.
May dinakdakan pa tayo ngayon. Ayan, from
Overtook Drexler.
the Filipino store, restaurant. Ayan.
Victory of the Cavaliers
Dinakdakan
over
is the pig head with
Then and there, in July 1920,
brain.
was established
Brain
the
pig.
leadership principle, which was made the
Pig
law
brain.
first of the Nazi Party,
Pero yung mga ibang nilalagay nila yung mayonnaise yata yung iba. Pero ito yung sa pig, ano ba yun, brain niya. Ilulutuin yung brain. Ayan, broccoli, beef, beef broccoli yan. Ayan guys. Yummy. Yan. Wala tayong rice today. No rice today because may na siya. May pansit na. Ayan. Ayan, may pa. May chow pan pa. Yung isang klase ng noodles. Ayan, itong dinakdakan. Gusto ko yan. Basta wag lang siya masyadong mataba. Ayan guys. Thank you so much guys for watching.